Welcome back, everybody. Not a lot of people enjoy cleaning, but it is one of those chores that we all have to do. So, when was the last time you washed your washing machine or gave your keys a scrub? Good Housekeeping Magazine has a lab-approved guide to tackling grime we don't always see. Megan Murphy is the executive editor. Hey, Megan, good morning.
Good morning, Hoda. Nice to see you.
First of all, there are enough things that I see that we have to clean. I had no clue we need to be cleaning up these things, and we're starting with the toaster.
All right, let's do some grime fighting. So the toaster, if it's filled with crumbs, your toast is going to taste crummy. And it's also a fire hazard. So once a week, especially if you make a lot of toast, take a dry, clean toothbrush, brush out the insides, get all those crumbs loose, take out the crumb tray.
Yeah,
Some people don't even know
bottom.
their toaster has one.
Yeah,
Look
there's
what's
one underneath.
in there. Dump it out, wash it with soap and water, take your machine, dump it out. Always unplug it first, too. Don't forget to do that. And if you want to shine it up, a damp microfiber cloth with a little bit of vinegar.
In and out, the vinegar?
On the outside.
On the outside,
shine it up.
Okay, I've had this. So you've got your drawers, and inside there's just a bunch of stuff that winds up.
And it's one of those places we don't think to clean. But every 3 to 4 months, take everything out and wipe it down with a disinfectant wipe. And that's your chance to put it back in more organized.
All right, so you're in the kitchen. You've got a sponge that sits on the side of the sink. How often should you go through that thing?
It's one of the germiest things. And once it starts to smell, don't throw it out. Take 3 tablespoons of bleach per quart of water. Let it soak for 5 minutes. In the Good Housekeeping Institute lab test, 5-minute soak killed 99.9% of bacteria.
What if you throw? I've thrown it in the dishwasher.
You can also throw it in the dishwasher. This is more effective. And we love the Brillo Estracel sponge. It earned the Good Housekeeping seal because it's a polyester-like material that dries out quickly, yet is still absorbent. So it's not a germ factory.
All right, we teased this early on, but the vents, like cleaning the vents.
Well, especially if your air conditioner is working overtime, it's sucking up hair and pollen and cobwebs. If you clean these once a month.
How do you do it? How do you get in there?
I just take a butter knife on a microfiber cloth and look, just go through the slats. You're going to improve your air quality and even maybe save on your bill.
All right, some basics. And all right, so let's move to the bathroom. It's time to brush our teeth, and our toothbrush has been sitting there for months. So
and we
what
know
do we
our
do?
mouth is full of microorganisms that transfer onto our toothbrush. They say to replace them every 3 to 4 months, but if you clean it regularly, twice a week, after you brush, just soak it in some mouthwash for 15 minutes.
Oh, that's it?
And store it upright in an open air container. Never, ever the medicine cabinet. It's dry. It's nothing can dry out in there. It's like a dance party for growth.
Is that the worst place to put your toothbrush?
This is a great open air
this one shocked me. I get in the shower, and I figure the shower is soaped up every single day because I've done it and walk out. You say you've got to clean it,
but it doesn't dry. So that's the key. Make friends with a squeegee. I love to suction one, so you think about it right away. Takes a couple of seconds. Just wipe down the walls, the tile, a glass shower. You're never going to get that soap scum and mildew buildup because the shower doesn't dry out itself. Okay. All
right, that's good. Now, this one I think is the one that shocked everybody. The place where you wash your clothes, you have to wash it?
Nobody cleans the washing machine.
Why would you?
How is it going to clean your clothes if it's dirty? So
what do you do?
Every single use, leave it open. Top load, front load, doesn't matter. Leave it open. And we love these are fresh wipes.
What are those?
Right? So the gasket where, oh, look, socks go to dye. And mildew thrives. You're going to wipe out the gasket.
Does every washing machine have that?
Every single washing machine, wipe out the door, and then once a month, taking a fresh tablet, throw it in there and do a load, and it cleans the machine for you.
Wait, without anything? Just the fresh with nothing?
Just the fresh. It earned the Good Housekeeping seal. Works like a charm.
Okay, Haley's got a lot of these kind of toys, and they do get a little rank.
Well, especially if she's been sick, you want to clean it right away.
So what do you do?
Otherwise, once a month, fill this bag. It's Teddy Needs a Bath. It was invented by a mom. Throw all your stuffies in there, zip it up, throw it in the wash.
We got to go to this
like
because...
credit cards.
She said you've got to clean your credit cards. Yeah, no, apparently they're germy.
1 in 10 had fecal matter on them. I know. So clean it with a disinfectant wipe. I know, I don't like to say that word. And your keys, too. You can soak them in a little bit of vinegar or then use a little bit of lemon and salt to clean them up.
Thanks, Megan, for that.
Yeah, I know.
All right, we have even more cleaning tips for every room in your house at today.com/home. Savannah, clean your credit cards.